Let's see what happens, guys. I want came. Like I said, the egg break. But what you know, I said that I not put egg for inside microwave now. What the egg you do for microwave? Okay, so if you get microwave for house, you gonna say you get some list of items where the same that not they put for inside this thing. Yes, I learned that one for hard way because when I buy my first microwave, I don't know say get some this one that they go inside here. Yes. So one day I come one microwave something, the thing they for inside metallic plate. The thing don't freeze. Now I'll carry and come out from fridge like that through the iron plate inside microwave. On and go palo go sit down. Small time I come here. I was like, when they make that sound? Now I rush enter inside kitchen. As I come, now she's in a better storm. Now they come for inside microwave. Yes. And the thunder and lightning. I rush up the socket. So now so I take and say they know they put metallic plates, any metallic object, steel object for inside iron, everything for inside microwave. But that one I learn I mean how because that microwave spoil after that thing. It not work normal again after that thing. So now when I come buy this one, I come take time read the manual. Because you see, it get plenty things where they don't put for inside microwave. But for those plenty things that they put for inside microwave, now this one I never understand. Egg. Yes. For the manual of this microwave, the right time for just say make you know they put egg inside microwave. This thing looks so small and harmless. Like waiting egg could do this thing. Waiting egg will do this big microwave. Powerful like this when they heat up everything. Today, because I'm not the hear word, if not to learn them in the hard way, make I learn them again. I won't put this thing for inside microwave. Anything I want to make it happen. Watch me. May we come on this one first. No need to cover that. So I will not be see waiting there. I wish that I fit on this now, you know, close. Maybe for just now when you know they close. But okay. Yeah. So egg inside microwave. Egg inside microwave. Make us set down for 5 minutes. Normally egg supposed to done for 5 minutes. Make us set down for 5 minutes. Start. I beg. Make I go for now so they see this. That I carry the camera first. Make I carry the camera come first. You are seeing it. Egg inside microwave. I beg make a day foul because I know you say something blue. Well. Egg inside microwave. Let's see what happens, guys. I want came. Like I said, the egg break. But what you mean I said that I not put egg for inside microwave now? What the egg feed do for microwave? What the egg feed do for microwave? Nothing. At the egg they done they go now. I am lucky. That one on the shelf the egg. I see the shelf the egg. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that thing? Wait. Did you see that, guys? Wait. Guys, see what happened. They say make them not do one and not here. This egg don't go and not chop up. But the thing we done, no. Just now, the thing done. Now see if I put that for 1 minute, I fit chop the egg now. Guys, did you see that? See. See what happened? Come on. Did you see that? Whoa! But this one they harmless now. This one they harmless.